Hi everyone, hope you are having a good day. So a few days ago, Google launched Firebase Studio, which lets you build full stack applications with AI. So kind of like V0 or lovable alternative. Now, if you remember, Google already had a project like this called Project IDX, but looks like they are changing a few stuff and rebranding that to Firebase Studio. So let's try it out and see how good or bad it is. The website looks nice and doesn't look like any other typical Google products or websites. And it's built on top of Gemini and Firebase, which makes sense. Let's get started. Alright, so it looks like any other AI apps, right? You can give your prompts here or create a new workspace. Looks like you also can pick your stacks from here. So let me paste my prompt here where I wanted to make a content scheduler for me where there will be a Kanban board and I can see which video is in which stage. Kind of like my Notion board where I can drag and drop my video ideas to different stages. Prototype with AI. So it created a blueprint for me with some features like input field, Kanban board, AI IDE analyzer. This one I didn't ask for, but it gave it by itself, so that's nice. Video card display, and also the layout and the theme it picked. So everything looks good. Let's prototype this app. Okay, so looks like it's using ShatCN. And on the right, you can see the changes that's happening. Okay, looks like we have something now, and it's asking me for a Gemini API key. I think we can auto-generate this, and it should create a API key and save it. Alright, so looks like it's done. Everything is looking too blue for my taste, but let's see if it's functional. We have our stages here: idea, planning, scripting, filming, editing, published, and backlog. So that's good. Let's see if we can drag it. We can. That's nice. Let's create a new video. Firebase Studio rocks. Add idea. Okay, so it added to the idea section. Right now I am recording this video, so let's move this to filming. And let's see what this button does. Okay, I only clicked on this one, but looks like all the buttons are loading, so it might be a bug over here. I don't know, it doesn't seem like this did anything, so we can get rid of this button. So you can describe that here, or you can use the annotate feature and say we don't like this part. Don't need this button. And other than this, everything else on the UI looks fine, so that should be it. And it's doing the changes. Looks like it is using Next.js. And yeah, looks like it got rid of the button, so that's cool. The last thing I want is an option to add thumbnails, so I think we can describe that here. But before that, I think I have to get rid of myself. Okay, there you go. Now let's ask it add an option to add thumbnail. It's doing its changes. Okay, looks better now. We have the thumbnail here and the theme looks red. But I don't want to add a thumbnail URL, right? I want to input where I can upload the image. So let's ask for the changes. I don't want the thumbnail URL. I need to upload image. Okay, so it looks like now we can add images. So let's give random title and upload an image. Add idea, and it looks like it's working. The image is uploaded and I can see the title and the description, and we can also move around. And yeah, it looks pretty neat. Did most of the job really well. we can open a new tab and see the full screen. And if you need to change something with code, you also have the option to switch to code, and it will open up the code base in a VS Code environment. And you can see your code here, like our page.tsx, and you can see where all the data came from. Looks like there is a static array for all these video cards. And on the right, you can see the UI and talk to the Gemini about updates. And when everything is done, you can publish, and it's gonna ask you to connect your Firebase to the project. And after that, you probably have to connect your billings and environment, and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think I have covered all the major features. Let me know what you guys think. So far, I'm actually pretty impressed, and I think this project have a lot of potential, and the fact that it is free makes it even better. So yeah, do check it out and let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.